Do you want to know how you can join a group on Telegram? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can join a group on Telegram. Go ahead and open Telegram, which is on your phone. Now you can go search for any group. So go ahead and search for something like meme group. And you can see that this is one of the groups. So to join the group, what you can do is click on join, which you can see over here. So if you click join, you can see that you can easily join groups. Let me show it to you by giving you another example. Open your Telegram application, go to the search bar and then search for your group. So go ahead and click on search. And let's suppose I want to enter a football group, so I'll go ahead and search something like football group, and you can see that there are some groups over here. So I'll click on join, and you can see this was a channel for you to join a group. Go ahead and search for group, and you can see that you will find some groups. So after that you can join it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.